What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be going over a video that's 2 years old from MotoStar, seeing if the plan method and everything else applies to this stuff. But make sure you guys grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk Pro or an Edge. There's a link in the description for 10% off, so you can talk to your buddies, call 911 if you need to, and still have hands-free, everything, listen to navigation. But we're going to go over this to see how we can prevent these close calls and crashes for ourselves.
This dude came up out of
Good
nowhere, bro.
job doing the quick adjustment on that turn. So right here, it's a little bit freaky. Random cyclist came out of nowhere. He's in our lane. And so what do we have to do? We're going to have to do something. So it's a red stage maneuver here.
Oh,
Nice little adjustment.
up out of nowhere, bro.
A little close call. Can't really anticipate that one. Seems the bike has arrived to stop before the pickup truck. Okay, stop sign. Here we go. Intersections are orange stage. Orange stage. We want to make sure that we're prepped and ready for... Ooh. It's an always stop. That person... Let's see. Who failed that? So we come up to a stop. They're already there. They go. Oh, the truck should not have went. That's why we didn't go. The truck should not have went. It was that motorcyclist's turn, and then it was going to be our turn. So crazy stuff can happen. Make sure you wear gear. A little group ride. Keep an eye on him. Uh-oh. Are these all friends, or... I don't know if that music is copyrighted. I like it, though. So I'll put mine on. So he's revving. Oh, got a little close to that truck. And then we kicked the truck. Not very smart. And we're getting up to here. What's happening? Waving and flipping him off. Not a big deal. Calm your nervous system. Do some box breathing. Get over it. Move on. You don't need to be chasing or follow. Oh, geez. Here we go. They were chasing and following. Not very smart. Just move on.
This rider's mistake could have ended really badly. Fortunately,
Another group ride. Having some fun.
Moment.
Oh, geez. Ooh, nice control. Nice little turn.
Hey, you are like this close.
Got lucky. No gear. Head injury possibility. This looks like it's a road rage incident. That definitely looks like a road rage incident. I wonder what was happening before this. People don't just normally do that. That looked like a swerve into that person. Yeah, that's a swerve into that person. And we broke their mirror. You're creating a lot of stress for drivers on the road when you just go crazy with these group rides. Some of them act out in weird ways. So my best bet is to be a little bit more cooperative and make it to where you're, I don't know, people understand what's going on. So if you're in a group ride and you're just staggered, they can anticipate. There you go. They can anticipate what you're doing. But if you're just going around people, they just freak out and they do stuff. So just be careful with that. Anybody want to come out in our lane? No? Road surface hazard? Oh, geez. Something happened. Oh, it's probably the weight. The weight on that back. You gotta take those turns a little slower. I recently had to get a new battery for my van. Oh, there is stuff on the road. I recently had to get a new battery for my van, and I had to ride my e-bike, one of my e-bikes that had a cargo thing on the back, and all that extra weight on that rear tire made the front tire very, very awkward. It wanted to jump around. So when you have a lot of weight on that rear tire, that can happen, but that was a road surface hazard too. So if those are filled, that's pretty heavy. Hopefully those are empty. Hopefully those are empty. Yeah, look at that stuff on the road. Quick shift point of view. Here we go. Any sides of the vehicles popping out? Looks like we have some possible intersections to these buildings. Oh, nope, just a wrong way driver. Good job recognizing that. Sees headlights and a windshield coming right at you when they're not supposed to be doing that. You're supposed to be seeing the back window and brake lights. So sees that, moved over to a brand new position for safety because he located a hazardous situation, assessed if that person was a relevant threat. Yes, it is. So we have to navigate it by moving into a new position for safety. So we moved into a new lane, not going to get hit. Very good. You do it naturally, but I want you guys to think about it too, because then you can be prepared ahead of time.
Going the wrong way.
Yeah. What's happening here? Somebody crashed, or are we all just kind of stopping?
Recorded with the phone completely by accident. Rider managed to not hit the group, and luckily nothing serious happened.
Okay, why are we stopped on the road though? It looks like there's a spot over there that we can we can pull over and stop. Oh, was going a little bit too fast in the corner. This is when we can rescue our buddy. Stop any major bleeds. Good job telling people to slow down, because part of rescue is ensuring your own safety. So look out for hazards. And when you're on the road, other vehicles are big hazards. Kind of why we shouldn't be stopping there, because we're in the road. So someone here should have medical knowledge. There's a lot of people. Okay, we're gonna do a right hand. What are we doing here? Watch out, there's somebody coming. Okay. What are we doing here? Oh, somebody dumped the bike. Oh, so let me get out of the way. So hands go first. Hands go first, and that's why we wear gloves. And the face goes right into the ground. That's why we wear a full face helmet. Slam the brakes, maybe? Got hit from behind by the other rider? I don't know. Couldn't really tell. But possibly slammed the brakes. Oh, right leg injury. Happy Thursday, Dan and crew. John, thank you for the $4.99. Appreciate that. What's happening here? Those hurt. Those hurt. Those aren't soft. So we hit the handlebars and it causes the dump. If you signal, then that means you can drive it to any. Okay. So they're moving over in our lane. Roll up the throttle. Roll up the throttle. Roll up the throttle. Roll up the throttle. Don't fight for it. You're hauling booty on a little scooter. You're probably pushing it to its limit. Just roll up the throttle. Let them in. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Side of the traffic cone. Okay, we don't need to do that. We're moving on. Don't need to do that. Here we go. Side of the vehicle, coming at the intersection. Oh, accelerate. Watch out for that guy too. So you want to accelerate out of that and then slow it down after you get through it. Oh no. Here we go.
The Harley rider on the right has learned a rather valuable lesson. Along with the passenger, that
don't be next to somebody like that.
Away at the right distance.
Yeah, because this could happen. Now everyone's on the ground. That Harley has much more damage than that quad. I get it, you want to get cool photos and videos, but not good. So his back hurts, his lower back maybe broke his coccyx, his tailbone. Yeah, if you want to shut it off, go ahead. Help out your buddy. Control traffic at this point. If you can't get him up out of the roadway. Control traffic. Have somebody do a U-turn and stop up ahead or back there. Slow people down. He's not doing good. Hopefully they got good footage.
Et en fait, le quad, il est arrivé, je crois, devant la Harley.
Not a fun thing. Hey, give me my cigarette. I need that nicotine. Yeah. All right, here we go. Anybody gonna merge into us? Why is everyone slowing down? There's something. Yeah, that's why. That's why. So when you see other cars slow down, don't just be like, oh, it's my opportunity to speed past them. You don't know why they're slowing down. Slow down with them and then just go with the flow of traffic here. Okay, so what do we got here? This person's gonna come out in front of us. Okay, they saw it last second. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Don't get angry. There's no reason to. They saw it. They moved over. They know what they did wrong. Okay, what do we got here? We're gonna slow down to an intersection. We're gonna go ahead and lane filter these vehicles. Somebody's on the ground. We have a bike on the ground. What's gonna happen? That person's, they're doing fine. You can stop if you want and help out, see if there's any major bleeds. It's good practice. Be like, hey, I'm gonna do a quick assessment. Good job with the, not good job. It's a good opportunity to practice your assessment skills. So you don't really get many of them. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the bike out of the way so traffic can move. Either pull in the clutch or take it out of gear. There you go. So he's pulling in the clutch because he knows. So it's probably still in gear. It's not like he put it in neutral and then crashed. Oh, this looks fun. This looks fun. There you go. Make that turn. So they went a little wide, but they had a good... Oh. When in doubt, throttle out. Ouch, 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 ouch. And I get it, you're not wearing gear because it's probably hot, but that's just a risk you're going to have to take. Oh, they both dumped. Bikes.
Hold on.
Good job with the crash guards. Yeah, having a little fun. He's probably saying you're good because we went a little wide. So like the road right here. So it's a little bit smoother. Went a little bit wide, not a big deal. It's probably saying you're good.
Just keep.
So just keep accelerating so you can get up over that stuff.
Hold on.
See, one of the big scary things is that if you do have a broken arm or you do have something like this happen when you're out and about, this is why you need to be prepared. I'm pretty sure they are. But having medical supplies just in case, because it's going to be really hard to get any emergency services here outside of a helicopter. Plenty of water, plenty of electrolytes,
Yep.
some food,
Hold on.
some a toolkit for your bike and their bike. Yeah. Today didn't go as planned. We were heading to Sydney, but unfortunately, as we were riding through a roundabout, a driver failed to give way and knocked us off our motorcycle. We sustained quite significant injuries and had to be transported to hospital by ambulance. Oh no. They're all doing their assessment skills. Stop any major bleeds if you can. Doesn't look like there's any. But this is good to lay them down. They're using the old, this is a 2-year-old video. They're using the Cardo Pack Talk Bold. Love that.
Your details.
Doing an assessment, leaving the helmet on. Very good.
You've
Stop
left
moving your head,
your
buddy.
details, yeah, with the
Police
police.
have got the details. I saw what happened.
Okay.
So make sure traffic isn't going to act any weird. They do have a first aid kit there. That's a small little boo-boo kit, pretty much. They only have Band-Aids.
I'll be there. I'll let you know.
You're not going to be able to stop major bleeds with Band-Aids.
Mainly your left side, right at the back where your kidneys are, and that shoulder.
All right. No worries,
Okay.
Sally. Thanks.
Oh, time to rescue again. We do have some rescue packs still in the store, so if you want to grab a trauma kit, we still have some left. Links in description for the store, the Cardo discount, all that stuff.
Yeah, he spun out on this.
It's good.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Well, he's not getting up.
Yeah.
Hopefully he didn't wrap around the pole.
Okay, let me go in.
It's good to just keep him laying down as comfy as possible. You want to keep his... The ground is a great splint for the spine, so if you lay on your back, it's pretty flat for the most part. Collarbone broken, possibly. Oh, that's not fun. He's not going to be able to ride out.
You want to push it that way?
Yeah, it's on gear.
Yeah, we're on a track. There's no guardrails. Once again, this is a controlled, high-speed training session. So low sides can happen and all that stuff, but you're not going to get hit by a car. You're not going to fall off a cliff. You can practice your slow-speed training with the Smart Rider drills, but if you want to practice your high-speed, go to a track, guys. Go to a track. And there it is. It's a beautiful-looking track, too, by the way. Those of you guys ride a lot of track all over the country. Can you name this track? A little quiz for you.
Thanks for watching.
Oh, you're welcome, MotoStars. Thank you for putting on this video. Once again, this was a 2-year-old video seeing if the plan, method, MTC awareness stages, Smart Rider principles apply to this. Yes, it does. Make sure you guys practice your slow speed skills with the drills. Grab yourself a Cardo. Do what you need to do, but have fun and be safe. I'll see you guys on the next live stream.